So here I've got olive oil and 3 classic spices: salt, black pepper, and cumin. This marinade is simple yet effective for today's chicken. In a smallish bowl, I'm combining the olive oil and spices. Give it a good mix until the spices are evenly distributed throughout the oil, ensuring a well-seasoned marinade. I love the citrus flavor with roasted chicken, so I'm going to add some oranges and lemons. For this recipe, you need at least 1 medium lemon and 1 medium orange, simply cut in half. And let's add some carrots, also chopped just in half lengthwise. Some hot green peppers for spiciness, and leave the potatoes whole. Place all the ingredients into a roasting pan. Apply the marinade generously onto the chicken, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Use any remaining sauce to coat the veggies evenly as well and squeeze half a lemon over the chicken, getting all that juice in there. With everything ready, I'm just going to cover it up with aluminum foil. After that, I will transfer the tray into my wood-fired oven. The oven is already preheated to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. We will roast this for 30 to 40 minutes. When the chicken's internal temperature hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit, take it out, remove the aluminum foil, and return it to the oven for 10 more minutes. Here it is, right out of the oven. It looks absolutely delicious, and as you can see, the chicken is well roasted, and carrots and potatoes are absolutely flavorful. The chicken is cooked to perfection in the wood-fired oven, infused with rich, smoky flavors that you can only achieve with this traditional cooking method. The crispy skin, tender meat, and unparalleled taste make this dish truly special.